Good morning. This is going to be an update on making myself healthy again. And I wanted to just do a quick update. I've been doing trying a lot of different things for video. And yesterday I tried to multitask, talking about opening a gallery and printing. This time it's just an update. I've looked at some footage of me gardening, rototilling the garden last year, and I thought it'd be perfect to show it because that was in May of last year. This is now March 15th, middle of March, and it was like the middle of May, I think, when I did that. So I wanted to give a visual change of what would that be? February 15th to March to April to May, 3 months. So in 9 months from that footage you see to where I stand right now. I weighed 290 pounds in this video, and now I weigh 218 pounds. So about 72 pounds. And it's very nice, but the real issue is that it wasn't about losing weight. It was about getting healthy. And I was really sad because I'm wearing this shirt today for a reason. See if I can get up close. On my 70th birthday, I finished the Honolulu Marathon. Now, I didn't run that marathon. Linda and I kind of speed walked it. And I wasn't in even the shape I am now. It was brutal, to tell you the truth. 12 hours and 45 minutes. And we wound up walking actually in the whole day 35 miles. So I'm wearing this for that reason. And then, to show a little bit about, compare what I looked like then, rototilling the garden, to now. And I was wearing a 46 waist, and this is a 36 waist pants, and you even have to cinch it up a bit. But anyway, so just talking about an update, what can happen. The other reason why I'm wearing this shirt is that I did that on my 70th birthday, but by the time that all just went away, because by the time I was 73, back when you see me rototilling the garden, I lost it all. I was down to like 235 from 300. Very proud of it. But it all came back, and that's the key. What I'm saying is not a diet, it's a lifestyle change. Mostly I stay away from carbs, so I'm a ketovore. But yet the carbs I do come from the garden. And I'm just learning about all the benefits of the garden because it's in pretty much virgin soil, only treated with very old cow manure from a farm. And, we thought of, well, it's healthy food, healthy soil. The soil gives us a lot of minerals that we don't get from Walmart vegetables. But now I learned that there's a whole new area of probiotics called soil probiotics or spore probiotics. And so us having an organic vegetable garden is great for minerals, for everything, for taking our shoes off and walking in the dirt for grounding, to getting our hands dirty, even just brushing off dirt off a carrot and eating a carrot with some remainder of it on. So I think it's key the whole idea of just eating real food, no seed oils, no ultra processed foods, and really no grains. You don't need grains, but there are some ways around it to limit it. And we're lucky enough here, blessed here, to have Guardian Grains south of Minot, where we can get some true ancient emmer and einkorn grass, I guess is what you could call it. And then right here at the lake, I've done some videos on Bartlett Farms, organic beef, all the protein we want, including pasture-raised eggs. Down on the other end of the hills is Garden Dwellers Farm for lamb and other stuff. Oh, and Bartlett's is also for raw milk. And so now we're learning a lot about fermenting. Anyway, it's a whole package, and we'll cover a lot of that. But I just thought I should do an update and show you all the progress. So more to come. And if you're here at the lake, we're going to have some monthly meetings, not for weight loss, but to get our health back. You know, making America healthy again requires each one of us to make ourselves healthy. So anyway, that's it for now. That's the update. Getting better. But one last thing. Yes, I've lost 72 pounds. The crazy part is I've got 35 pounds to go. 35. Because there's still stuff here, 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 and on my ass. So, update. Thanks a lot. God bless. Have a wonderful day. Bye.